The secret is you want to keep moving. You don't want to just sit it there like some bug spray, like you're trying to kill a spider or something, or a roach. You want to move. It's the hitter. Ooh, about to set it off. I don't even think you can. These so tight, you can't even barely wrap these. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Reviews by KJ, and we're back at it again with another video, man. We got the box Chevy LS project going on. I'm about to go ahead and take off the valve covers. So, see, from the last video, I got this thing clean. And I'm gonna tell y'all a little later on what worked the best, because I tried a lot of different products, as you can see over there. Tried a lot of different products to get this outcome right here. You can see I can even see the stickers and everything. The transmission even clean. This is what it looked like. The whole transmission looked like this today. Like I got it done today. So you can see it. Whole engine bay clean. I'm about to take over these valve covers, and I'm about to go ahead and paint these red with the spray right here. So this is the spray right here. Got the clear coat, the primer, and the red paint. This is the high temp VHT, as you can see. I got my coil packs off, so here go my coil packs right here. I got those clean and degreased, looking good. It's my wiring harness inside of there, which I'm probably not going to use. I'm going to go with something else. I need to go with some lotion. But yeah, this right here, Superclean Degreaser right here, man, it's a game changer. I didn't even have to scrub with this thing. I'll tell y'all that. Like, I barely even had to scrub with it, so I highly recommend that stuff. I'm not sponsored by them by any means, but if you want to pick up some, I can put it in the description. You can pick you some up. But man, game changer, I promise you. I tried oven cleaner, I tried engine degreaser, I tried all that crap. That Superclean, I didn't even have to scrub nothing, and it came pretty much straight off with a pressure washer. This is my little baby pressure washer right here. My little baby pressure washer. But here go my alternator bracket and my power steering pump. Look at this, man. This stuff was this color right here. This stuff was black. It's all with a little bit of elbow grease. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I might just paint this black, or I might go with a different alternator and power steering setup. Still deciding on that. Still deciding on it. I also got my headers. I'm gonna go show y'all that in just a second. But I'm about to take these off, paint them red. These new clean valves, I don't even want to paint them no more. They so clean. But I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. Make the engine bay look a little better when I pop the hood. And I think I'm gonna keep this truck intake for now. Truck intake here to stay. I'm trying to get me a cable, a drive-by cable, actual throttle body. I seen some of those on Amazon for like 70, 80 bucks. I might go ahead and grab me one of those. My head's a little good. I might just put a little gloss on there or something like that, make it look good. But everything, man, this engine was caked up. I'm telling you, super caked up. This brake, I used a little bit of brake cleaner to try to clean it up. That didn't work. Super clean is what you want. It's my oil pan right here. Prepping this to get installed. And here go my headers. I got the S10 headers. I got the shorty S10 headers. It's my little O2 sensor bong right there. That's the header. Ooh, about to set it off. I don't even think you can. These so tight, you can't even barely wrap these. Yeah, we're gonna toss these on. This look like, this is the passenger side right here. So we're gonna have that bad boy on right there. Yes, sir. All right, let me get to work. All right, so I got the valve covers off. Pretty clean inside. Got a little drippage in there, so I'm draining all the oil and everything before I put anything in it, so I'm not too worried about a little bit of water being in there. Don't worry, I'm gonna dry a little bit out because I don't need that sitting there. I'm trying to find new fuel rails because I really don't like these. I want the ones that run into just one instead of two. It'll connect the two rails, and then I just connect two. That's what I'm looking for to put on here. And I also wanted to exit right here. I want my fuel to stop right here because on my box Chevy, which is conveniently right here, my fuel rail run right there. So it'll just run straight there to boom. That short amount of distance. I don't want a whole bunch of line running fuel. So let me get to painting my valve covers. So I was gonna leave this off camera, but my wife said I should be recording because it's good content. I'm in my backyard right now. But here we go. Putting the primer on right now. This is how I spray mine. Some people might do it different. You know, do you? See my dog over there. I let him out, let y'all meet him. I got 2 righties. Putting that primer on that bad boy. And put 2 coats of primer before I put my paint on. Gotta make sure you get at the bottom too. Make sure you get that bottom. Alright, that's 1 coat primer right there. See how it's smooth and consistent. See how far away I was from it. I'm no professional, but I know how to get some somewhat professional results. This coat 1 from my first one that I did. I'm gonna put another coat. This one I'm using again. The enamel primer. This not regular primer. This for high temps. Let's get it. Up and down, light coat, man. Up and down, light coat. I just automatically assume that people know how to do this stuff because I done it for a little while. Like, I'm no professional, but I can get the job done. So, make sure you shake good. Make sure you shake good. All right. What also helps is putting it in warm water. Putting it in warm water to get all the paint mixed in there good. It helps. All right, so I'm doing about 15 minutes of break time between coats. All right, that's coat 2. See, it's wet right now, about to dry, so I'm gonna let that dry. Gonna let that dry for 15 minutes. I'll be back then. We're gonna start on that red. Got the red right there. Been doing a lot of shaking off camera with the red. It's the red right here. It's gonna be the first coat of red. I'll probably do like 2-3 coats of red till it run out. These valve covers are actually metal, and it's a different one for metal and it's a different one for the actual engine. So, I mean, it's a different one for plastic. So make sure you pay attention which one you're using. One for plastic, one for metal, and these actually metal. So let's get this first coat going. Try to get y'all the best view I can without interrupting mine. Light coats to start off. No drippage going. Try to overlap just a little bit. It's hard not to fill in the gaps. You want to see it fully covered, but you got to remember you don't want it to bleed. So just take it slow. Make sure you get them bottoms. You see that bottom right there? That bottom. No drip. I think that's gonna be coat 1. Coat 1. Let me get this corner. You see that corner still got a little bit of, see that backdrop, that sunset, boy? Let's get this corner right here. And on top. All right. It's coat 1. So go to that. And we got clear coat coming. That's the primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to that one right there. And then I'll come back when we on like coat 2 or 3. And then I'll show y'all the clear coat. Let's get it. All right, that's what we got so far. There's 3 coats of red. As you can see, no drips. All even all over. I did flip it from this top hole to this bottom hole, so it's been inverted, so that way I make sure I get all the nooks and crannies of that bad boy. And I kept the gasket in, so that way when I take this gasket off, I can put the new gasket on, and then the little bit of paint that's on that rim right there, it's all covered. So when I put it on the motor, it looked good. Yeah, that's it. I put this a piece of paper towel right here just to keep the inside from getting sprayed. As you can see, the whole pole been painted. I left the screws on, so when I put the accessories on, the screws will be a little red too. But that thing looking like candy paint. Yes, sir. Clear coat about to come. Clear coat about to seal the deal. Again, if you didn't know what I was using, that's what I'm using right here. VHT. Man, the secret is you want to stay about this far away when you're spraying. That's probably about 12 inches. So you want to stay about 12 inches away, and then just go. If you're going side to side, that's fine. But you want to do it light. You want to keep moving. You want to keep moving. You don't want to just sit it there like some bug spray, like you're trying to kill a spider or something, or a roach. You want to move. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Spray, spray, spray. Same thing over here. And then make sure you're getting at the bottom too, and around the corner. So yeah, we're about to put this clear coat on, seal the deal, and we in the game. I think this is the only thing I'm gonna paint for right now. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna paint the timing cover or not. I might have to go back and get some spray, because I used about 60-70% of the primer so far, and I used about I would say about 70% of the red on those 3 coats. Now I'm about to put about 2 coats of clear on there. We're gonna call it a day. Sorry guys, it got a little dark, but it's 1 coat of clear. See, it almost look orange, but it is red. It's 1 coat of clear right there. Still got about 2-3 more coats to put on. I like my stuff to be protected and wet. This with no clear coat. There's no clear coat right here. So get back to it. All right, sorry about the darkness. I'm trying to light it up as well as I can. But this 2 coats of clear, as you can see, no drip. No came through dripping, none of that. I could have got the corners a little better, but that's what I got. So I'm gonna put 1 more coat of clear. I'm gonna call it a day. I could have got a little more smoother if I would have sanded it down, but I did what I did. It's done. All right. But yeah, on the next video, I still got my little headlight on because I've been working. Next video, I'll be installing the header, so y'all stay tuned. Appreciate you for watching this far. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.